Imagine a world where we can predict solar storms before they strike, but how accurate is that? IBM and NASA have unveiled a groundbreaking AI model, Surya, that can forecast solar activity with unprecedented precision, offering a lifeline to protect astronauts, power grids, and global communication systems. This isn't just science, it's a game changer for humanity's relationship with the sun. But here's where it gets controversial. While Surya's predictions are highly accurate, their open-source nature raises questions about accessibility and potential misuse. And this is the part most people miss, the model's ability to learn from raw data without human intervention, making it a true pioneer in AI-driven weather forecasting. Surya, named after the sun in Sanskrit, processes images from the Solar Dynamic Observatory, SDO, which has been monitoring the sun for over a decade. By analyzing these images, the AI can detect dangerous solar events up to 8 minutes before they occur, giving us time to act. IBM's Director of Research, Juan Bernabe Moreno, emphasized that Surya's success lies in its ability to look the sun in the eye and predict its behavior. This isn't just about numbers. It's about safeguarding our planet's technological infrastructure. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections can disrupt satellites, cause power outages, and pose risks to astronauts. Accurate prediction is critical, but forecasting these phenomena on Earth is notoriously difficult. Surya's AI model, built on a foundation of 360 million parameters, leverages data from the Atmospheric Imaging Assembly, AIA, and Helioseismic and Magnetic Imager, HMI instruments. These tools capture high-resolution images of the sun's atmosphere and magnetic fields, enabling the AI to spot patterns invisible to the naked eye. Model's training involves analyzing 9 years of SDO data, harmonizing layers of information, and experimenting with AI architectures. By predicting what SDO would see an hour ahead, Surya demonstrates its capability to anticipate solar dynamics. Even more impressive, the AI learns from its own data, adapting without human input, a feat that challenges traditional AI paradigms. Researchers claim this approach could reduce prediction errors by up to 16% compared to existing methods, according to IBM's statement. Open-source access to Surya, available on GitHub and Hugging Face, promises democratized innovation. However, critics argue that such transparency could lead to unintended consequences, especially if the model's algorithms are exploited for malicious purposes. Yet proponents see it as a step toward collaborative, transparent science. As the AI community debates its potential, the question remains, should we embrace open-source AI, or does it risk compromising security? This is the part most people miss, the AI's ability to self-learn from data, bypassing human oversight. But here's where it gets even more controversial. The model's creators argue that its success stems from its design, not just data volume, while others question whether such advanced models should be freely available. The scientific community applauds the breakthrough. Whether this marks the dawn of a new era or a risky leap remains to be seen.